Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. In this video, I am going to discuss about a data deduplication scheme based on the DBSCAN with tolerable clustering deviation. It is our abstract. Data deduplication is essential for optimizing the storage space and the network bandwidth in cloud storage system. Conventional deduplication methods pose a risk of internal data leakage. In this, we propose a data deduplication scheme with a tolerable clustering deviation to address the privacy concerns. The proposed scheme clusters the users based on their data access pattern and tolerates deviation in new user assignments. This approach minimizes the reclassification overhead and enhances the deduplication efficiency while protecting users' privacy. It is our flow diagram. First, the user can register their details. After registration, the user can log in. After login, the user can select the data for encryption process. After selecting the data, the user can send the key request to the key manager. The key manager will generate the key and send that key to the corresponding user. The user will receive that key and encrypt the document by using this public key. After encrypting the data, the user can upload their data into the cloud. But the data will go to the cloud module first. After verification done by the cloud, he will provide access to allow the user data upload into the cloud. If the user is not valid, the data will not be uploaded into the cloud container. Now we see the decryption module. If the user want to retrieve the data from the cloud, means he will send the request to the cloud. After cloud verification, he get access to download their data. After completing the process, the user can log out. The cloud will assign the popularity based on the user upload and download patterns. Now we see our output. First, go to the home page and run the file. It is the home page. If the user is already registered, they may enter their email ID and password. Otherwise, the new user can register their details for creating a new account. I already registered, so I log in with my username and password. After login, it is the data selection module. In this, you can select the data and click the encryption for encrypt the data. In this, the user can send the request to the secret key request to the key manager. The request will be sent successfully. Now we see the key manager module. It is the key manager module. In this, he can be when key request is received or not. If any request is received, he may click that user and generate the key and send that key to the user. The user can get that key. It is the public key. The user can encrypt the file by using this public key. After receiving the key, the user can encrypt the file. After encrypting the file, the user can upload that file to the cloud. Now we see the cloud module. It is the cloud module. In this, the cloud will view any of file can be sent for to store in the cloud. After validation only, the file will be stored in the cloud. Based on the validation, the cloud will accept the user request and move that file to the cloud. Otherwise, the cloud will reject the user request. Now we see the decryption process. You may click the decryption option. In this, you can see the cloud files and check the status whether the cloud will accept your request or not. You may select the file and send the download request to the cloud. You can check the download request status in here. Now we see the cloud download request module. In this, the cloud will view the download request. By clicking this, the cloud will validate the user and accept the user request. In this, the cloud will view the popularity of the data. You can see the popular data count and non-popular data count, and also view the download popularity. See the download of popular data and non-popular data. After completing the process, the cloud will exit. This is the user module. In this, the user can check their status. The cloud will accept their request. After accepting that, the user can get key. By using this, the cloud will download, the user will download and decrypt their files.